Hello, my name is Ujjwala Suresh Nimborkar. I have created this CRUD application using PHP, SQL, and in front end I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript with Bootstrap to design my UI. So this is the form to get the application's detail. It means user's detail. So it includes first user profile photo. So we have inserted, then name. Suppose I have clicked it will not take same email because I have entered it before also, so because of that. And here I need to press my password. Look, I have pressed a random password and greater than 6 characters, so it will show me a error. And also I have taken a same email ID from which I have registered previously also. So here I have getting a error. Look at this. So it will show first password error that you have entered it incorrectly, and if again I have taken it user profile, suppose I have taken this, then a phone number, suppose I have taken it, and if password, now I am entering the password correctly with capital letter, then one small letter, then a special character, then a number. So I have taken all the validations for password, and it should be more than equal to 6 characters only. So it is taking 6 characters only. So password format is correct here. Now it's showing me the email address error because this is the previous email address. So look at this, email already exists, so I have to enter it again. Now I am choosing again profile photo, my name. I am changing this because previously also I have taken it. Okay, then I am taking a different email address, then phone number, anyone, then password criteria should match. It will take one capital letter, one small letter, any number of small letters, then one special character, and at least one numerical value. So it is completed. Now look, I have redirect to my user details page where I have stored all the records which I am getting from that register page, and I have getting it here, Rija Nimborkar, this email address and this is phone number which I have created now. So from this page I can get all the records of the user, and from back button I can go back to that form page again for register. And if I want to delete it, I can click it here also. So look, this get deleted, no Rija Sharma is here. And if I want to update it, then go it here for update button. Then again I need to choose profile because for updation you have to choose your profile, so anyone can update. So here I am taking the proper profile, and here I am changing suppose my email. So I am taking it pp and sending it. So successfully updation is there. Now we can check again. Look at here, Ujjwala Nimborkar has a different email which I have entered just now. So this is all CRUD operation. This is user details which I am entering currently for registration, and from back button I can again go to my register page. Look here, again I will enter my details, then it will go to my user detail page. And for database, I have created this database for my CRUD application, that is ID, image, name, email, phone and password. This is structure of my database, and this is the details I am entering right now. I have entered this detail, this is edited detail, usual and worker, that is email. So yeah, this is all about my database. So I can update it also for yes, for name. Here it is a numerical value because I am doing it trial and error at the time of my coding.